Hi, this is the second video tutorial for portfolios.fitnyc.edu. In the previous video, you were introduced to the Portfolios site and you created your login. Now that you're registered, it's time to edit and customize your profile. In a browser, navigate to portfolios.fitnyc.edu and click to select Login on the menu bar. This will take you to the dashboard page of your profile. This is where we left off in the previous video. Now you will edit your profile and upload the images for your first project of your portfolio. Click to select My Portfolio to go to the editing page. At the top of the left column, next to My Public Profile, click to select the Edit button. Here you can customize your profile. Remember, any information you would like to share with visitors to your portfolio, you should complete here. The form for basic information will have some fields already complete because you have already input them to register. This is where you have the opportunity to upload an image for your profile picture, enter the address of your website if you have one, and add info in the About Me section. And even add a custom section for other links you'd like to share. For the purposes of this video, we will simply leave this blank, but any additional or custom information you can share with visitors to your portfolio will give visitors a more complete picture of your work and who you are. Now let's go back to your profile to discuss uploading your first project. Click to select the green Back to Profile button, and you'll go to the editing page. On the right side of the page, click to select the blue button, Upload My First Project. This will take you to the 3 steps you will take to upload your first image of your first project. A note about the images you upload. They must be web-friendly, meaning they have to be saved as GIF, JPEG, or PNG files. They also must be a minimum of 600 pixels wide. This is a quality control issue, as you will want the display of your work to be good quality when seen at their larger size. You'll notice that there's also a text link for if you want to embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or other video sites. Once you have saved your image to the format and size required, click to select the Upload Files button and navigate on your computer or another hard drive to the image that you want to select. It will be placed inside your project area, and if you want to add more images to this particular project, you'll click Next. If you are only putting in one image, you can say Skip. Now click Continue on the right side of the page, and you can select the image detail. I'm going to go back to that same image and choose it. Now within this frame you can move around your image. This detail cannot be smaller than it's designated, but you can enlarge the frame if you want to get a larger detail. Once you've chosen where you want to place that detail, go ahead and click the crop button in the lower part of the pop-up window and give your project a title. Click Continue to go into the settings for this project. In the settings area, all of the fields in the left column must be completed. The first field to fill in is the creative fields. Choose up to 3 fields your project should be associated with in the drop-down lists. Next are the project tags. This is a very important area to fill out. Tags serve the purpose of helping people find your work, as search engines use tags to categorize and identify your work. Tags should be written from general to specific and be relevant to the project. Tags should be keywords or phrases. Use a minimum of 5 tags and a maximum of 8. Use commas between tags. The project description can be 1 word to an entire story about the work. Decide how much you want to say about the project and input it here. The projects are visible on Behance and also the FIT Portfolios site. You can add a team here, but everyone in the team must be already registered on portfolios.fitnyc.edu. In the right column, the extra info is not necessary, as your work is already associated with FIT. Credits will already include your name, but if you want to acknowledge collaborators, you can click to select Co-Owner Credit. Here you have the chance to credit others who worked on your project. Copyright is next. By default, Behance uses Creative Commons license. If you don't want to allow modifications of your work, but do want to leave it on Creative Commons, uncheck Allow Modifications of your work. This will allow you to maximize your exposure. The other copyright choice is no posting without explicit permission. This will limit your exposure. Remember, you are responsible to inform yourself about copyright. This is a complex subject and important to know about when posting your work online. Remember that each choice has its pros and cons. Once you have completed the copyright, you can also add tools that you used if you'd like to include that, software, other materials. Once you're finished, save your changes. Try to remember to save your changes before you publish. Another dialog box will come up right after you publish your project, suggesting that you promote your work on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. You have now published your first project. Congratulations. You may have noticed that while uploading and editing your project, a new browser window opened on the main Behance site. To view your portfolio on portfolios.fitnyc.edu, simply click on that tab or navigate there by typing the address into the browser. Now we're back on the My Portfolios page, where you can edit the current project or upload additional projects to your portfolio. or edit your profile. Have fun adding content, links, and other information to your online portfolio at portfolios.fitnyc.edu.